update 2. Last time it was on the trailer and the doors were locked. Well, they're unlocked now. Yeah, not too crazy about that radio cutout. But it does have a 60s Camaro rear end, 12 volt or 14 volt. Not 12 volt. The bed is off now. I've been stripping all the unnecessary stuff off. Still has the motor in it. I hadn't took it out yet. But it's just a mock-up 327 that's in it right now. Somebody put it in there and it's not even aligned right, it's crooked. And I couldn't believe it. The floor is in an almost perfect shape. There's no rust whatsoever on the floorboards. But it does have some rust right there, but that's pretty common. It don't even got it on this little panel right here. It's just on that firewall. Yeah, almost unbelievable. It has a 3-speed transmission in it, but that's not going to stay in it. Original seat. You gotta love the gun racks. This whole cab corner is like it was completely filled with rat crap. I have been trying to get it out, but it has still have a lot. I still have a lot in there. That is a pretty big rat pile. Yeah. Now, I think it's like that on both sides. Both cab corners need to be replaced. Yeah. Almost perfect shape. This tailgate, unbelievable. Not a single dent in it. Just got some screw holes in it where a license plate light used to be. The front panel is in perfect shape. Never find them like that. They're always beat up, like on this truck. Tailgate and the front panel is just completely toast on this truck. I am going to reuse this rear end. Not the leaf springs. I haven't decided what I'm going to do for. Probably going to be coil springs, if anything. But then again, I only work on this truck when I have nothing else to do on my 73, so. But I'm glad I worked on it today. I didn't know it was in this good a shape. The only thing really bad on this truck is just cab corners and fenders. Especially this one. Gotta find a new one. Completely gone. That's about it for now. I have decided what kind of motor it's going to have. It's going to have a 396. And it's going to have the front subframe out from under that Firebird and the 350 turbo 350 transmission out of it. I'm basically trying to use all the wiring out of that car to go in this. I have an extra cab right here, and that's what I'm going to use these cab corners. But not in a big hurry. I only work on it in my spare time. So, till next update.